Hi, everyone. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the different areas on Nexudus that you'll be working with. This is just going to be your main page once you log in, so your dashboard. Your name, it'll have any unpaid invoices if you've had issues with your ACH or haven't put that in yet, or if for some reason it didn't go through, so you'll get a notification here. You'll see all of your upcoming bookings kind of in this weird listing area. I'm working on hopefully trying to get the colors changed so that they'll be in the actual color that your room is in, because right now they're not. Below those, if you just scroll through that, are some of our discussion topics. So these have been started by Penny. If you have any, you can go into recent discussions. I'll go into that in a different video, and you can start your own discussion or contribute to any of these or ask questions in these as well, and hopefully people can kind of get those discussions started. And then you'll also be able to see your benefits. So this is mainly for partner members. We have turned the amount or the level that you're at, the partner level that you're at, into usable minutes and then usable hours for each month. And so this just kind of shows you, that you're basically booked towards the end of what you have available for that month. All right, and then I will do a few separate videos just so you don't have to sit here and listen to a whole 30-minute video from me. One for bookings, one for community, and one for settings, and I will send those all to you. Thanks.